Hello everyone, welcome to day 17 of Parenting Simplified with Shining Spiral. Often we hear parents discuss amongst themselves that it is a task to feed the child, that it is very tough for them to get their children to put back things in their place after the play is over. And at times they complain that the child is speaking so loudly that it becomes unbearable. To solve these different situations, parents resort to rewards, motivators, consequences, and at times even threats. If you do this, I will not do this for you. If you shout, I won't speak with you. If you will not pick up the things, I will not let you go down to the garden to play. If you will eat, I will give you a chocolate. So they are resorting to all these things, but at the end of the day, they are not getting the results. Why? There are many reasons to that, we won't get into that, but what we can actually do to resolve these situations is, as a parent, we need to be very clear that what is our expectation and what we want from our child. So it is very clear that we want the child to finish his meal, we want the child to be disciplined, we want the child to speak softly, and there are many more things. So your inner voice has to be clear. Your language in your mind, what you give to the child, has to be very, very clear and specific. So if the food has to be completed, you just need to say the plate has to be clean and shiny. Or if the toys have to be picked up, you just need to communicate that the toys need to rest, they want to go back to their house. This language is enough. In case the child is shouting, speaking very loudly, rather than you also getting into that shouting mode, generally if a child shouts, we shout louder, धीरे बोलो, and हमारी आवाज़ और ऊंची होती है. You just need to be silent. You can either go silent or you can just say to the child, I can't hear you. Can you be a little softer? The reverse. These techniques, if they are done with conviction, will actually help you in solving the problem. And another thing that you need to remember is that you need to be consistent in your techniques. So every time the child shouts, I can't hear you. Can you be a little softer? So this will work. Try this. Thank you.